At ROPEX, every packaging solution begins with careful testing. First, the right heating band is selected and a piece of film is prepared. In the sealing tests, we verify whether your requirements for seam quality and process performance can be met, ensuring that your ROPEX system performs exactly as expected. Next comes the leak test. The sealed film is submerged in water to make sure no air or liquid can escape, ensuring complete tightness. Then we check the tensile strength. The film is clamped and stressed to measure how much force the seal can withstand before breaking, guaranteeing durable and secure packaging. After successfully completing all tests, the sample is passed on to the design engineers. The engineers use the results to develop the custom tool in the CAD system. This creates a heating element perfectly tailored to the customer's requirements. Finally, the finished tool is carefully packaged and prepared for shipment.